Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a watch list on eToro. Creating a watch list on eToro allows you to track the performance of asset you are interested in without committing on a trade. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and log into your account. Now, use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the asset you want to add. After searching for the asset, click or tap on its name to open the full profile page where you can view charts, stats and details. Now click on this button here. After that, go to the watch list option. Once added to your watch list, you can monitor the price changes, performance and news for asset without buying them. If you decide to remove the asset, simply click on three dots and click on remove button. So that is how you can create a watch list on eToro. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.